What do YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So this is day 7 of turning $20,000 to $100,000, and as you can see, trading live right here on Bluefin Crypto Exchange, one of the best crypto exchanges ever created on earth. So as you can see right now, our Bitcoin position is at least 254% in pure profit, making us $17,000 in pure profit right here. And of course, Solana position is kind of down a little bit, minus 11%, and we're losing at least 964 USD. And of course, Asta trade is up at least 12%, as you can see, in pure profit, and making at least 1.4 thousand US dollars in pure profit. And of course, the last one, which is Ethereum trade, is up at least 135% in pure profit, making us 16,549 US dollars. So is this good time to close these positions and then focus on other positions or open new positions and stuff like that? This is what I want to talk about in this video. As you can see right now, we got our Bitcoin chart, and it's showing exactly where we entered this trade at 113,000 USD. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at charts right here on TradingView, right? As you can see on TradingView, I've got signal strike on the indicator that gives me this buy and sell signals, and I'm saying in real time. So is this a good time to buy some Bitcoin, or is it good time to sell some Bitcoin? As you can see, I drew these lines, right? And these lines simply represent where exactly the bull run started. You know what I'm saying? According to signal strike, right? So let's see what's going on currently. You know what I'm saying? So right now you can see that we have got a sell signal already coming up, and this kind of look bad because after getting this sell signal, the market has been going down and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But I've got a strong feeling that this is just for temporary. It's not gonna continue going down, and we might see another buy signal coming up around this time because everyone else is buying into crypto. Plus, this is the most bullish month for Bitcoin. And I'm saying this is October, or you can call it October. So I've got confidence in Bitcoin, and let's take a look at maybe like 1 hour time frame and see if there's something coming up. As you can see, we also have buy signal right here and sell signal right here. So this is just like for temporary, guys. I'm not really sure about this, and I'm not gonna close all these positions right here on Bluefin Crypto Exchange because they're already in profit, and we entered earlier the price of 113,000 USD. And I'm saying, so let's take a look at Ethereum right here and see if there is an opportunity or it's time to enter a new position, because I know most of you missed out all these signals and stuff like that. By the way, if you don't want to miss out signals, or if you don't want to miss out all these opportunities, make sure you get signal strike indicator. The link is going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online. You're going to find the signal strike indicator, and this indicator is going to pretty much help you to enter good trades, to find the bottom like these ones right here. You say find the bottom and you enter your trade, and all your trades going to be in profit, especially into this month of October. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at Ethereum and see what's really happening with Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum same situation applies right here. We also have a sell signal on 1 hour. I mean 1 hour and daily. These are my favorite time frame, to be honest, because I catch the bottom, like the deep bottom, using 1 hour and daily time frame. And I'm saying, so another one that is really important that you should pay attention to is called Asta. Now I'm saying the OG himself, CZ, pretty much mentioned this coin right here. So I've got confidence into this one as well. As you can see, Asta pretty much doing its thing, nothing crazy on it. Is this good time to buy? Of course, yes. As you can see on 4 hour, you have got this buy signal coming up right here, and the price is cycling pushing to the upside. So I just wanted to make video about day 7 of trading or turning 20,000 USD into 100,000 USD live trading on Bluefin right here. So you can see our portfolio, and let's see how much we have in our wallet. As you can see, currently having 52,000 USD in profit. So we're getting there. We're just like, let's say 51%. So we're getting there until we hit 100k. If you want to join this challenge, guys, make sure you get signal strike indicator, and then you're gonna join a private group whereby I drop pretty much all the signals and trade opportunities, trade analysis and stuff like that in real time. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get, you're gonna be able to copy my trades right here in real time. Plus you're gonna get signal strike indicator for free and stuff like that. And everyone is gonna make money in this October. You know what I'm saying? So this is, guys, my name is Arthur, guys. Thank you for watching. Therefore, also the video. Love and peace, guys. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're going crazy and stuff like that. We're going crazy. You know what I'm saying? So this is, my name is Arthur. Therefore, guys, also the video. Love and peace. Cheers.